Alright, let's look at example 2, finding the volume of the following cylinder. So again, if you haven't written down the volume formula, it's V equals pi r squared h. And the information that we do know, we actually know the diameter. So remember, the diameter is straight across. So we know this part. Now, I went ahead and wrote down radius, so we technically didn't know that yet. But the radius is half of the diameter. So if we just look at from the middle of the circle to the edge, that is the radius, and so that's half of 24. So I went ahead and wrote down r equals 12. And then h, the height of the cylinder will be h. So we are going to plug these items into our formula, but the way that it is different from the first example, we knew the radius. So here we knew the radius, so we were able to plug in the 7 right away. But for this one, we only know the diameter, so we're not actually going to plug 24 in. We're going to plug the 12 in, and we're going to plug the 11 in. So when I write that down here for showing my work, we're going to put V equals pi times, now use your radius, 12 squared times 11. So there's pi, there's the radius, there's the height. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and simplify this. Don't forget that exponent is first. So we're going to do 12 squared. And let me pull up my calculator here. So 12 squared is 144, and then I'm going to go ahead and multiply it by 11. So we have V equals 1584 pi. So I plugged everything in. Now, remember, when we leave the pi symbol in, that is our exact answer. So our answer is 1584 pi kilometers cubed, or cubic kilometers. So here's our exact answer, where we leave the symbol of pi in. The estimated answer is when we are going to type this into our calculator. So 1584 times pi, and you can push the pi button. The calculator knows when we put them by each other like this, that means multiplication. We hit enter. Now I am going to write down this entire decimal on my notes only. You don't have to write all this down on your homework, quiz, or test. But for the note purposes, I want to make sure I know why I rounded it. So 4976.282763. Now, we're going to round to the nearest tenth. So I want to decide if this is going to stay a 2 or become a 3. So my final estimated answer will be 4,976.3 cubic kilometers. Now, the only reason why I'm writing this entire number down on the notes is so I remember why this was a 3, even though it was a 2 on my calculator, because there is an 8 next to it, so we have to round up. So for the second example, we knew the diameter, so we had to find the radius in order to plug it into the formula. 1584 pi is our exact answer, and our estimated answer, rounded to the nearest tenth, is 4,976.3.